Have you ever felt tired, exhausted, and lacking energy even though you've had enough sleep? Did you know that even though you're eating enough, your body may still be missing essential nutrients? And this could be why you don't feel the positive changes from your diet. Imagine a normal day for you. You wake up, have a cup of coffee, and quickly eat breakfast with some bread or cereal. Throughout the day, you feel tired, unable to focus on your work. And even your meals don't taste good. You might have thought it's due to a stressful job or lack of sleep. But the reality is your diet may be the main reason you're not feeling the health benefits you're looking for. In this video, I will help you better understand the basic nutritional needs your body requires to stay healthy and the mistakes you might be making in your daily diet that you don't even realize. Let's explore the basic factors that help your body function optimally and how you can change your eating habits to feel a noticeable difference in your health. A few months ago, I met an old friend, someone who really focuses on eating and health. However, she always felt low on energy even though she had tried all kinds of diets and expensive supplements. When I asked her about her daily diet, she simply replied, "I eat plenty, but I don't feel any better." And the truth is, she made a very common mistake that most of us don't pay attention to. It was a lack of nutritional balance. When you eat a diet that doesn't provide enough of the basic nutrient groups or enough essential nutrients, even though you eat enough meals, your body still doesn't receive the energy and nutrients needed to function properly. So, what does your body truly need to stay healthy? How can you recognize when you're eating wrong? And why is a healthy diet sometimes not enough to maintain health? In the next part of this video, I will show you how to identify what nutrients you're lacking and how to change your diet so your body can function more effectively. We will go through each essential nutrient your body needs and the mistakes you may be making without realizing it. 2. The problem and emotional trigger. Have you ever felt that even though you're eating enough, your body still doesn't feel healthy or even feels more tired after every meal? This is a very common issue that many people face without knowing. They wonder if their diet is really enough, if they are eating the right way. And this doesn't just happen once. Many people think that eating 3 meals a day is enough to maintain health. But in reality, many still feel tired, have trouble concentrating, and lack energy even though they eat enough and on time. The troubling truth about improper diets, the ongoing fatigue affecting overall health, this truly affects the quality of life. When you're not eating properly, your body can't produce enough energy to maintain all its functions. You'll feel tired all day, won't be able to complete tasks effectively, and even won't enjoy activities you love. Studies have shown that 70% of adults in the US lack at least one essential vitamin every day. This is a huge problem because vitamin deficiency can lead to serious health issues like weakened immunity, low energy, and even chronic diseases. Findings from reputable studies. According to a study by Mayo Clinic, vitamin D deficiency can cause serious issues like muscle weakness, joint pain, and affect cardiovascular health. In another study from Harvard Medical School, they found that a weakened immune system occurs when the body lacks vitamin C, leading to a higher risk of infections. Why we don't feel healthy even though we eat enough? The main reason is that we're not providing our body with enough essential nutrients in our daily diet. We may eat enough meals, but we're missing vital nutrients like protein, vitamins, minerals, or healthy fats, things our bodies need to function effectively. Triggering emotions, raising awareness of nutrient deficiencies. Have you ever wondered why, despite eating regularly and having enough meals, your body still doesn't feel healthy? Nutrient deficiencies are the reason. You're not just lacking energy, but you may also be causing harm to your body without realizing it. The long-term effects of nutrient deficiencies. Lack of protein, vitamins, and minerals not only makes you feel tired, but can also lead to serious consequences like early aging, weakened immunity, and difficulty concentrating. Studies have shown that an imbalanced diet can reduce life expectancy because the body lacks the ability to fight off illness and recover from damage. All day you feel tired, have headaches, and lack energy, but you don't know the cause. You think it might be because of lack of sleep, but when you go to see the doctor, they tell you the real cause might be a vitamin D deficiency or you're not eating enough of the healthy fats your body needs. This could lead to hormonal imbalances, making it difficult for your body to regulate basic functions effectively. Did you know that improper eating habits can affect your overall health long-term? And the troubling thing is, many of us are still making simple mistakes without realizing it. You surely don't want to end up with health issues that could have been avoided just because of mistakes in your diet. But are you sure you're eating the right way? In this video, I will help you find ways to fix those mistakes in your diet while providing useful advice on how to ensure your body gets the nutrients it needs every day. Stay tuned to find out what your body truly needs to stay healthy and why you may be eating wrong without even realizing it. You'll see how changing your diet can make you feel healthier in just a few days. 3. Explanation and education. Protein, the building block of the body. Protein is not only an important component in building muscles, but also plays an essential role in maintaining cell health, producing enzymes and hormones, supporting the immune system, and metabolizing energy. Simply put, protein is the basic building block of the body. To use protein, the body needs to break down protein into amino acids. These amino acids not only help the body build and repair tissues, but also help produce digestive enzymes and hormones, and also participate in important processes such as oxygen circulation in the blood, hemoglobin, and maintaining the functions of the nervous system. Impact on the body. When you eat enough protein, the body will use it to regenerate cells, build muscles, and recover from damage. This is very important for your overall health, especially when you are in the process of exercising, recovering from illness, or even just maintaining good health in everyday life. Many people think that protein is only for bodybuilders or people wanting to gain muscle. However, this is a misconception. Everyone, whether they exercise little or a lot, needs protein for the body to function properly. Especially for older adults, protein helps maintain muscle mass and strong bones, preventing osteoporosis and joint issues. B. Healthy fats, the enemy or ally. Healthy fats are a group of fats that not only provide energy but also support heart and brain health. These fats include omega-3, omega-6, and unsaturated fats from plants. Healthy fats help the body maintain healthy cells, transmit nerve signals, and produce hormones. Omega-3, for example, is an unsaturated fat that helps reduce inflammation in the body, which is very important for protecting heart and brain health. Impact on the body. Healthy fats help absorb vitamins A, D, E, K, fat-soluble vitamins, which is extremely important in maintaining cell function, bone health, and immune system. Omega-3 particularly has the ability to reduce the risk of heart disease and support brain function, helping improve mood, reduce anxiety, and even possibly prevent depression. The biggest mistake people often make is thinking all fats are bad. This is not true. You should avoid saturated fats from processed foods, but unsaturated fats from olive oil, avocado, nuts, and fatty fish are very important for maintaining health. In fact, healthy fats also help you control weight better by maintaining a feeling of fullness longer. C. Vitamins and minerals, essential elements. Vitamins and minerals play a very important role in maintaining the immune system, metabolism, and cell health. For example, vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, helping bones stay strong. Vitamin C plays a role in supporting the body against infections, while potassium helps maintain stable blood pressure. Vitamins and minerals are not produced by the body and must be provided through the diet. Vitamin A, C, and E are powerful antioxidants that help protect cells from damage. Vitamin B12 and folate are essential vitamins for red blood cell production and nerve function. Minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium help maintain stability in body functions like muscles, the nervous system, and cardiovascular health. Impact on the body. When you lack vitamins and minerals, the body cannot function optimally. A lack of vitamin C can make you more prone to colds and infections, while a deficiency in vitamin D can weaken bones and lead to osteoporosis. A lack of potassium can cause heart arrhythmias, and magnesium deficiency can cause fatigue, anxiety, and muscle problems. Because there are so many types of vitamins and minerals, many people think simply taking a multivitamin is enough. But in reality, getting vitamins from natural food is better because they not only provide vitamins but also come with fiber and other nutrients that help the body absorb them more easily. D. Water, an essential element often overlooked. Water is an essential element in maintaining life and body function. About 60% of our bodies are water, and water helps transport nutrients, flush out toxins, and maintain stable body temperature. Water plays the ideal role in biochemical reactions within the body. It helps maintain electrolyte balance, supports digestion, and transports nutrients into cells. Water also helps flush toxins through the kidneys, skin, and excretory system. Impact on the body. Lack of water reduces blood circulation, causing fatigue, headaches, and digestive disorders. Water also supports kidney function and digestion, and if you don't drink enough, you could encounter issues like kidney stones, constipation, and even high blood pressure. Many people only drink water when they feel thirsty, but in reality, the body has already started to lack water before that. A simple rule is to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and when you're working or being active, the amount you need will increase. Story and solution. Let's take the example of a patient I once met. Her name is Sarah, 35 years old, living in California. Sarah is someone who really focuses on eating well and always thought she was eating the right way. However, she constantly felt tired, couldn't focus on work, and even had trouble sleeping despite trying various approaches. Sarah came to me and shared that she ate a lot of vegetables and fruits but still felt low on energy. When I looked at Sarah's diet, I realized that she ate very little protein and healthy fats, although she ate a lot of vegetables. Sarah was actually lacking some essential nutrients like omega-3, vitamin D, and healthy fats to help her body function effectively. This led to her body not being able to produce enough energy, even though she ate a lot of healthy foods. More importantly, the lack of healthy fats made it impossible for her to absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins A, D, E, and K. 3 specific steps to improve your diet. Step 1. Provide enough protein in every meal. Protein is necessary for building and maintaining muscles, boosting immunity, and helping the body recover from stress. Sarah needs to ensure that each meal contains at least 20-30 g of protein. You can get protein from foods like lean meat, fish, beans, chia seeds, flax seeds, or Greek yogurt. Sarah could start her breakfast with 2 boiled eggs, a bit of butter, and 2 slices of whole grain bread, just enough protein and healthy fat to help the body function. Or she could try a salad with grilled chicken breast, a little olive oil, and avocado. Step 2. Choose and add healthy fats. Unsaturated fats, especially omega-3, help maintain heart and brain health. Omega-3 is found in fatty fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, and seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds. Additionally, olive oil and avocados are healthy fat sources that help the body absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K. Sarah could add salmon to her lunch or avocado to her breakfast. Also, adding chia seeds or flax seeds to smoothies is a great way to add healthy fats. Step 3. Increase essential vitamins and minerals. We all know that vitamins and minerals are extremely important for maintaining the body's physiological functions. Sarah needs to add more vitamin D from sunlight or foods like fatty fish, eggs, low-fat milk, and vitamin C from greens and fresh fruits. Minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium are also necessary in daily diet. Sarah can drink a glass of low-fat milk or eat 2 eggs every day to supplement vitamin D. Lunch could be a green salad with tomatoes, cucumbers, and add sunflower seeds or chia seeds to provide enough fiber and minerals. Just after 2 weeks of applying these changes, Sarah began to feel a noticeable difference. She felt stable energy all day, had deeper sleep, and no longer felt tired after meals. More importantly, Sarah also felt mentally sharper, her work became more efficient, and she could focus on things she loved. Providing enough protein helps build muscles and maintain energy. Healthy fats help the body absorb necessary vitamins and minerals. And supplementing with vitamins D, C, and E will help boost the immune system and maintain cardiovascular health. I'm sure you've also felt tired and lacking energy despite eating enough. So why not try changing your diet in a scientific and reasonable way? Start with small changes like adding protein to your breakfast, replacing unhealthy fats with olive oil, and increasing fruits, vegetables, and seeds to help your body function better. So, in today's video, we've explored the basics of what your body truly needs to stay healthy, and why your diet might be lacking the essential nutrients that your body requires. We've gone over essential nutrient groups like protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, and clarified common misunderstandings that many people face when applying their daily diet. To help your body function effectively, you need to provide enough essential nutrients. And by just changing a few eating habits every day, you can feel a noticeable difference in your health. We've discussed specific steps you can take today to help your body become healthier. Those include adding protein to every meal, choosing healthy fats, and increasing vitamins and minerals through natural foods. These small changes will bring long-term benefits to your health. It's important to start with small changes, step by step, and stay consistent. Don't expect immediate results, but trust that good health is a long-term journey. You'll notice a difference in your body after just a few weeks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share the video to help those around you receive this nutritional advice. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to not miss the next videos on nutrition and health that I will share. I want to hear your story. How have you changed your diet to feel healthier? Leave your questions or share your experience in the comments below. I'm always ready to discuss and support you on your journey to improving your health.